Hello, everyone. This is Rick Walsh. I'm a fellow entrepreneur and businessman, and I'm going to show you how, in the next few minutes, you can double or triple the size of your business using artificial intelligence from Lev.ai. We'll discuss the first five basic tools that you can use, and we're going to start with the contact relation manager. That contact relation manager is the secret to closing the deal. And next, we'll talk about leveraging AI to create up to 100 new leads or candidates for your business each and every month. Then we'll show you how to expand your social media reach, how to create your own website with sales funnels and landing pages, and finally, how you can create your own videos with your own virtual twin avatar. Starting with your contact manager, this is more than a database for your contacts or potential candidates. It's a roadmap, a personality profile for every contact. Starting with your homepage of your Lev.ai tool chest, on the left side, you'll have icons for each of your tools. To begin with, you'll want to teach your Lev.ai what it is the business you're involved in or what product or service you supply so it could better represent you and help increase your bottom line. By clicking on the business profile from the icons on the homepage, it'll start by asking you for your business or product profile. You click to add new, add your business or product name here, and you'll see that you're putting in right now your real estate business. And you want to describe your product or service, and then click create. You'll notice that Lev.ai is already helping here, and what they are showing you is a customer acquisition system and describing your target customer. It'll want to know your leading or main product, and now AI will create a description. After that, you'll want to go into your contact relation manager by clicking on the appropriate icon on the left. You can enter your contacts manually, or you can take a screenshot of their social media profile, and the all of their pertinent information will be entered for you. Let's start by entering a contact manually. Here we'll enter the first and last name, in this case, Randy Schrader, and then we'll enter their contact information, social media links, and notes, and then we'll click Get Started. Now, here's where it really gets interesting. We're going to enhance our candidates' info and analyze their personality through the power of artificial intelligence. Let's start by enhancing the candidate's info. You'll notice that I entered Randy's Facebook and LinkedIn links, but I didn't even know that he had a Twitter account, yet Lev.ai found it and added it for me. In the enhanced info, we can now know Randy's birthday, location, social media links, and additional emails. We also know his interest and his skills. We also know about his education and the company he now works for, his position, how long he's been there, etc. Do you think this might be useful information when you're interacting with Randy? Now comes some really useful information when we click on personality. We see that Randy is charismatic, sociable, a visionary. It tells us about his behavior traits. It shows us that what we should do when we're emailing Randy, how we should act when we meet with Randy, what stresses Randy and therefore avoid it, and how about what energizes him. What should we say when we're speaking with Randy, and how should we work with him? In addition to that, these subjects have a drop down menu with a wealth of information, such as his pain points, giving the pitch, building rapport, etc. How much of an edge in dealing with your candidate would this give you? All of this great info for the contacts you already have. But what if you don't have any contacts on your phone or in a database? Then you need leads to help you grow your business. Then, as your lead or candidate provider, you can have Lev.ai access their 1.2 billion database and obtain potential candidates customized to your criteria. Start by clicking the My Prospect icon on your homepage and tell us about your perfect candidate, such as the city they're in, the state, the country. And then let us know the interest that you're looking for. in that candidate, as well as their gender. And then you could go into advanced targeting, such as the company or job or industry they're in, their education level, age, preferred contact method, etc. And then you just click Get Prospect. And there you have it. Your new candidate, Carrie Todd, is a female in the insurance industry. She's an agent with Farmers Insurance and has an interest in market research. Now you can obtain all the information on Carrie that you have on your own contacts, like Randy. Click on Enhance that contact, and you can analyze their personality and get all of that useful data on each and every one of those leads, up to 100 new ones per month. So far, we've been talking about candidates you must be proactive with. In other words, you must reach out to them. How would you like your potential customers and candidates to reach out to you? In order to do this, you need to expand your social media outreach, and this can easily be done with the aid of Lev.ai, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Instead of using social media as simply a means to say happy birthday to someone, you just tap on the icon on your landing page to My AI Social, click on Business Post, click on which business from your list of businesses that you want to post about, click on Instant Post, and click Create a Post. There's your professional social media post promoting your business ready to go. Here you see it's ready for Facebook, but it can be adjusted for Instagram, LinkedIn, a text message, or whatever. If you want to make changes or enhancements, just click AI, and up comes your options to make it shorter, longer, change the tone, change the language, and click Regenerate, and it's done for you. Now you simply click Post. It has already been added to your clipboard. You simply open Facebook, open a post, click Paste, and you're done. Now people who read that post can connect with you. When they reply to your post, you can even have AI create your reply for them. Simply click on Help Me Reply icon on your homepage. It'll ask you what your reply should center around, such as you want to send them a video or get an email or meet in person or whatever. Get started by giving a screenshot of what response they sent to you or type it in. For example, if your objective is a phone call, here's how AI suggests you respond. Hey, here's my number. It might be easier for you to see if this is a fit for you over a quick 2-minute call. Can you send me your number so I'll know it's you calling? And AI can keep suggesting responses throughout your conversation. Now, let's take a look at how AI can help you build professional websites, landing pages, sales funnels in less than an hour, and do so without spending thousands of dollars, and have your website built and hosted. Simply click on the website builder on your homepage, click on Add New, go through the sample questions, such as what business that you want to create for the website, like I want to do one on my Lev.ai businesses. Next, what website name do you want to give it? What tone do you want for your website, such as professional, persuasive, and then click the URL that you want to use. Then tell it this is a website or a sales funnel or a landing page. Then click Build My Website, and there you have it with pictures, with your testimonials that you put in. Lev.ai will talk about your products and services with images. It'll talk about your industry, and then you can put in your team. And then on the left, you have a lot of widgets you can add, such as adding images, adding a video, a map to your office, a countdown timer to a sales deadline, or so on. Now, when ready, click Publish, and you are live and on the internet, and you don't even have hosting fees. It's part of your package with Lev.ai. Finally, how would you like to make videos without ever appearing in front of a camera? This would be your own virtual twin creating that video. looks just like you, talks just like you, and once again, you never got in front of a camera. It starts with you clicking AI video next time on your homepage. Click Create New. First, you want to upload a picture of yourself. This will create an avatar in the video. Click Next. Next, you want to upload a sample of your speaking so AI could duplicate your voice. Click Next. Now AI wants to know what you want the video to say, or you can have them write the script. Tell them which business you want to promote. Click Next. And there is the script you'll be speaking on the video without ever getting on camera. Now you can pick the language you want this to be spoken in, and there are well over 100 languages to choose from. Now, before I click Finish to show you the end result, remember this. Although it'll look like me, it's not me on camera. And yes, it sounds just like me, but it's not my voice. In fact, AI even wrote the script.
Hi there. Want to boost your business profitability? Let me introduce you to Lev.ai. Start with our contract relation manager to streamline operations. Use the lead generation tool to capture new clients and our social media post app for engaging content. Build your online presence with our website builder. Lastly, try our video or virtual twin tool for personalized interactions. Lev.ai is here to support your growth. Ready to get started?
It's only $99 per month subscription for our finest pro package, and there's no contract stop anytime. We'll even pay you for your referrals month after month as a residual income. There is no better value. Can you imagine just what one of these tools will do to increase the number of clients and increase the amount of business each of your clients will be doing with you? You need to latch on to artificial intelligence. It'll increase your business. And you want to do that before your competition realizes how to obtain your clients by using artificial intelligence themselves. Get back with the person who shared this with you and get started today. Thanks for watching.